I am Janbon Alexis Pedroso. This is my video representation about acute malnutrition. Cases of moderate acute malnutrition, approximately 5.9 million children around the world die. The leading killers are prematurity and pneumonia, responsible for 17.8%. The thermal nutrition. The effects of heat treatments on the nutritional value, safety, and shelf life of food. Chronic malnutrition, also known as stunting, is a condition that results from a prolonged and inefficient intake or absorption of essential nutrients over an extended period. Acute malnutrition, also known as wasting, is a form of undernutrition characterized by a rapid loss of weight, of the presence of edema, swelling, due to a recent or ongoing shortage of food or illness. And this chapter, MAM or moderate acute malnutrition. And this is moderate acute malnutrition circumference. And this is the global acute malnutrition. The next is marasmus and kwashiorkor. Marasmus is a form of severe malnutrition characterized by energy deficiency. Kwashiorkor is a form of severe protein malnutrition characterized by edema and an enlarged liver with fatty infiltrates. The next, the development of acute malnutrition in children. The following significant risk factor for MAM in some, such as inadequate dietary intake, inappropriate feeding, fetal growth restriction, inadequate sanitation, lack of parental education, family size, incomplete vaccination, poverty, economic, political, and environmental stability in emergency situation. First, inadequate dietary intake, consuming insufficient nutrients to meet the body needs for optimal health and function. Inappropriate feeding, practices that can harm a child's growth and development. Fetal growth restriction, also known as intrauterine growth restriction or IUGR, refers to a condition where a fetus is smaller than expected for its gestational age. Inadequate sanitation means that there are sufficient facilities or services for safe disposal of human waste and the maintenance of hygienic condition. Lack of parental education. Parents having limited formal schooling or not being well versed in academic subject or skills. Family size. A single-parent family with one child, a nuclear family with two parents and two children, or an extended family with grandparents, parents, and children all living under one roof. Incomplete vaccination. A person has not received all recommended doses of vaccine or has missed at least one dose of a vaccine. Poverty. A state or condition in which a person or community lacks the financial resources and the other essential for a minimum standard of living. And the last is economic, political, and environmental instability in emergency situations. Society is becoming more interconnected, resources are becoming more useful, and waste is spilling out farther into the environment. And this is the food secure population. To determine the appropriate program type or objective, the decision tool leads to 4 different endpoints or intervention. First, prevention and treatment, prevention alone, treatment alone, no additional intervention than strengthening IYCFE and monitoring the situation. To determine the most appropriate program type of objective for moderate acute malnutrition, the decision tool presents 2 different levels of factors to consider historical information and rest of deterioration. With this analysis, a program recommendation can be obtained. And this is the global acute malnutrition. This is importance in emergencies. And this is the treatment. This is the decision-making tools. Underweight. An underweight person is a person whose body's weight is considered too low to be healthy. Malnutrition occurs when an organism gets too few or too many nutrients, resulting in health problems. Stunted growth, also known as stunting or linear growth failure, is defined as impaired growth and development manifested by low height for age. Marasmus is a form of severe malnutrition characterized by energy deficiency. Kwashiorkor is a form of severe protein malnutrition characterized by edema and an enlarged liver with fatty infiltrates.